Very good morning, students. Let us enjoy a very nice story, uh, which is from your supplementary reader, that is A Pact with the Sun. You have a textbook named Honeysuckle and one supplementary that is A Pact with Sun. So this is the first story from this supplementary reader, A Pact with Sun. A Tale of Two Birds. This A Tale of Two Birds is a very inspiring and telling and giving a deep message. It's full of deduction. So, in this story, dear student, you see, in mother bird, she was living in the nest of a dense and a very shady tree, which was very dense and full of so many branches and leaves. And there was nest of the mother bird, and but and there were two baby birds, and she was with these two birds there, baby birds there. But unfortunately, what happened? A big storm came. That was with thunder, lightning, and rain. And as a result, consequently, the tree where these two baby birds were with their mother living, that was just uprooted like anything. The storm uprooted so many plant and trees, etc. And this tree where these two birds were living with his mother, they just though this star was so powerful that uprooted the plant, the tree, and baby, the mother was killed in the storm. And these two birds, they luckily they were saved. And what happened? One just came near the cave of the robbers, where robbers were living. The one first baby bird just approached there, and the second baby bird very near to very near a rishi ashram. And these two birds were from the same mother bird, but one was in the grip of robbers, and other baby bird was in the shelter of rishis. So, but what happened? While they were living in separate location situations, the king rode, and after he was just running after deer, and he got lost his path, and thereafter he was so tired, he just took a rest under a tree where the first baby bird was living. Though there was a gang of robbers, that's why whatever they were talking, it was learned by baby bird. And while when he grows up, he imitated, copied, and imitated all the function of the robbers. And the king, who was sitting under the tree, the baby bird just shouted, snatched it, robbed it, let not be slipped away. Because that was hearing all the time is snatching and robbing, that's why he shouted like this. And the king was very afraid. He got afraid, and he became very afraid, and he just ran away like anything. And after some time, he just approached near the Rishi's ashram, and again there was the second baby bird, and that second baby bird welcomed the king. He spoke, you are welcome, and take rest, and Rishis will be coming soon, so take rest, and there are some waters, and he welcomed like this. Now you see in this picture, in this scenario, rather to say in this story, a very nice moral one is behaving like robbers and other is behaving like gentleman, rishis and noble doer, because it is of the it is due to the parenting, because one was in the company of robbers, he was it was all the time listening, enjoying and hearing such type of nonsense, and the second one was in the company of rishis, that's why it was just well watched, and the bringing up was, the second was very nice and very gentle, full of something very noble deeds. That's why he welcomed. But this incident was very startling, and king was very amazed. He asked, though he saw the both were same color, same size, but the behavior is different. So he asked Rishi, I narrated all the story before the Rishi. And Rishi replied that Rishi smiled a bit and smiled that it is the bringing up, and due to the different bringing, they are behaving like this. And one in the company of robber, that's behaving like round robbers, and this baby is near us, and he is just behaving. His behavior is very gentle, very noble, very nice. And he is telling, Rishi told that one is known by the company, one keeps. This is a very deep moral here. One is known by the company, one keeps. And Rishi he spoke to get rest, and after some time you will see, you will learn more about the this mystery of forest, because a forest full of mystery. Okay, it is to be continued, and get by the story and go through the story again and again, so that you may discuss among your friends. Okay, thank you very much.